Beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And look at this big, huge bag of stuff that I got. I bought this bag as well from Daiso. If you follow my Instagram, you would have seen a picture with all the windmills all over, and I had asked where I was. I got all kinds of people saying everything from, oh gosh, Wyoming to Palm Springs and everywhere in between, and Palm Springs is the correct answer. So I took a real quick turnaround trip to go pick up my grandson from spring break. And you know, while I was there, I had to stop at Daiso, so we did. And let me show you everything that I got. There's multiple items in here. And remember, I have grandkids, so there's even some little goodies in there for them as well. Oh, and I also did some like filming around the Daiso for you. So let me know if you want to see that. It's really just kind of like going through the aisles. So let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see that. And if so, I will put it up for you. Okay, first things first, I got a couple of these, so we'll find them along the way. It's a keychain, but it turns into a bag hook. And I love the bag hooks, but I've never seen them on a keychain. So when I saw this, and it's just a tiny little guy there, I thought that was really nice. So I grabbed a few of those. And with Daiso, everything is $1.50 unless it's marked. So I also found this little guy. It's a little book, and it's so cute. And it looks like a little book, but it's actually kind of a little box. This one was $3, so it was marked there. But look at how pretty that is. Very, very pretty. I picked up a couple of these guys here, little crates. Those are also at the $3 price point. And I picked up 2 of those. So, but I thought they were super cute. And I can use those. I'll use them first in the expo that we're doing, the Wandering Planners Expo. Some of the stuff is for the expo. I also picked up, which I don't have with me, they're in the car still, and they are, they're kind of like grids, like metal grids, and they're about, I'd say two feet, maybe by, maybe a 1.5 foot by like 3 or 4 feet. I'm not real sure. But I picked up some of these little zip ties to zip them all together to be able to hang stuff and decorate the expo. I also picked up, you guys, I hadn't seen these, but I think I'm going to have fun. If you want me to show you how I make them, again, let me know in the comments. They're button covers. And so I think I'm going to take some of my Stampin' Up! Paper and wrap the buttons. And I think that would be really cute. So I picked up 2 of them. So it says it's a 12-piece set, so I guess it'll make 12 buttons. So that's pretty cool. I thought it said 27 because it's all written kind of in like Japanese, but no, that's just 27 millimeters. And now I'm seeing that it's 12. So I thought 27, I'll get 2 of them. I'll be able to make a whole bunch. Now I'm seeing that I'm going to be able to make 24. This is, oh, I always grab these. They're precision screwdrivers, and I know that the Dollar Tree has them, and that's usually where I grab them, but I needed one for when I came home, so I got this. But I use these, one of these little middle size there, to lock and unlock my door. So if you have one of those doors with a little hole that you stick the little screw in to open it, these work perfectly. So I always grab those. I did pick up these little guys. They are earrings, so you could put them anywhere. You could put them like way up here, a second earring if you wanted to. You could put it on the side of your nose, but it's just super cute. And I always grab a pair of these for when I want to have a little extra bling, because I am an 80s child and I do have holes where those should be, but the holes have closed up since the 80s. Okay, again for the grids that I bought, I'm going to have stuff hanging from them. So I picked up some of these little guys. So they just hang on that grid, and then you can see things can hang from there. I also am going to be doing a swap for the planners while I'm there. And so I picked up these cute paper clips, and I hadn't really seen these kind before. I don't know if you can see them, but they've got a square flat top up there. So I picked up those, and these are 30 each. So I grabbed 2 of them. I also picked up one of those fans that you open up, and really I picked it up for investigative purposes. I want to see if I can maybe use some of my Stampin' Up paper to replace that and make a really cute Stampin' Up fan. We'll see. Here's some of those snacks that I purchased. What were they here? Doodle snacks, crispy little noodles. So they're just teeny tiny little like noodles, and then this is a wheat cracker tempura flavor, but they're little Japanese snacks. So I thought we would give those a try. And then I also purchased the grandkids a little roll of cookies. I think these are probably little vanilla wafer type things there. And then these are little, I think they're cookies with little chocolate in it. So I'm hoping that they are, but we'll see. What else? Oh, here's the other 2 of those. And what else? Oh, I bought this little guy. Isn't that super cute? Look at that, how tiny it is. And it actually opens and closes, and this little guy. I thought that was so cute. Just like a real cart. So got that, and this little guy was $3. I picked up one of these. They hold stuff in it. I use these often for my shower because if you don't know, I put a curtain rod on the back side of my shower because we have a pool, and so people often take off their swimsuits and they just hang them wherever, and then I get a puddle. So I put the curtain rod on the back side of my shower and on the back side of my bath, one in each bathroom. So now they hang their wet suits right over that curtain rod, and the water goes right into the pool, the shower or the bathtub. So these fit perfectly over those curtain rods, and so you can put in your loofahs and stuff like that. So I like these. So I grabbed one of these, and I probably should have grabbed more, but I thought that one was enough because I do have others. I grabbed another one of these guys. And then I grabbed this. It's plastic, but I really liked the top. Isn't that cute? And I'm like, I wonder if that would fit on any of my glassware. And so look for this. It may come in a DIY here in the future. And let's see. This says, "Thank you. Today became a special day because of you." And I just thought this was so cute. So I grabbed that. It was just $1.50. But it's rather nice. It's like a shimmery white. What else is in here? Oh, I got 3 different types of clothespins. These guys here. These guys, which are really, they're tiny, but they're thick. I like that. And then these are just little itsy bitsy tiny ones. So I grabbed those. And I'll be using those for a DIY here soon as well. And then the last thing I got was this slate plate. And it was $3, but I think I'm going to use this for my chalk couture to be able to change out my chalks. And I thought it was a nice little background. So that is everything. And then of course, in California, you have to buy the bags. And so instead of buying a plastic bag, I bought this one. It's a nice big bag there. And it says, "Life with smiles. The most important thing is to enjoy your life, to be happy. It's all that matters. Peace begins with a smile. Let's go forward." I thought that was a cute bag, and the color was pretty, so I grabbed it. All right, beauties. I hope you enjoyed the Daiso haul. If you want to see more, please give me a thumbs up and let me know down below what your favorite item is. My favorite item, I'd have to say, is this little guy here. I thought it's so cute. So I thought maybe I could put some business cards or something in there. So let me know what your favorite item is. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button and you too can become a beauty. All right, have a wonderful day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.